Hey guys, I'm Amanda with Brodos on the Loose, and we are at the Royal Solaris in San Jose del Cabo. We're here for 7 days. I'm with my husband Justin, our 3-year-old Madison, and our 3-month-old Gabriella. We're going to give you a tour of the property, give you our tips, and some honest reviews. So let's go take a look. As you arrive at the Royal Solaris Los Cabos, you enter through a security gate. To the right, you will see the parking lot for guests who will have a vehicle. We booked the resort's shuttle service for our transportation to and from the airport. Before we head inside the lobby, let's show you the amenities that are right here in the front. You have the basketball court and tennis court. Now the gym is in this building. It actually took us a while to find the gym because we didn't realize it was located outside of the lobby entrance. The gym hours are 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday to Saturday. They also offer classes for yoga, Zumba, and Tabata, to name a few. Once you enter the lobby, you have the reception desk to the left. There's a separate check-in desk for those who are members or book their stay through an exchange company such as RCI. You will receive a wristband in a specific color pertaining to if you're a member, if you're a guest booked through an exchange company, if you have a day pass, etc. They'll also give you a weekly calendar of events so you know which restaurants are open for what and which shows will be performed in the theater. Oh, and they will try to get you to schedule a timeshare presentation in exchange for an excursion or massage. It's around a 90-minute presentation where they take you to a members-only breakfast, tour you around their newly renovated suite, and of course, try to sell you on purchasing one. It is up to you if you want to do it, but it is not mandatory. As you head straight, you'll see the large windows that overlook the terrace and pool. There's a good amount of seating around here, although some were taken out to accommodate these adorable child-sized gingerbread houses. Here is the lobby bar. To the left is the coffee bar. The coffee bar hours are 10 a.m. to 1 a.m., although it would be nice if they were open earlier than that. Note, they will only allow you to order 2 drinks per guest. Triple shot espresso, cappuccino with vanilla, hot chocolate. At certain times in the evening, you'll see this cart be used to make specialty drinks such as their specialty beverage, Mexican coffee. Here, take a look.
Thank you.
As we head to the right, we have the excursion office if you want to book any activities through the resort, such as a boat tour to Land's End, snorkeling, zipline, etc. At the end of the hall, we have the spa. We signed up for their timeshare presentation in exchange for 2 50-minute Swedish massages. Having a spa service allows you to arrive 30 minutes before your service to use the sauna. On this same floor, you will find an ATM if you need to withdraw some cash. If you go down one floor, there is a members-only bar. As we head outside, we have the Kids Club. Children age 4 and up can be left with the staff without their parent. Parents are allowed to hang out with their children inside as well. Hours are 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Outside of the Kids Club, there is this awesome jungle-themed kids splash area with a couple little water slides, some larger slides, and a nice playground. Hours here are also 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. This is an awesome attraction for guests visiting with children and one of the reasons why we booked here. Woo! Now let's head out to the main pool area. There are a few different sections for swimming and hanging out. There's a quiet relaxation pool, and they have this shallow pool for little ones. They offer daily resort-led activities such as aqua aerobics, volleyball, a football throw competition, and Uno competition. You can find the events on this chalkboard by the pool, and of course they have the music playing loudly, which creates a fun environment. The pools are very nice, and we appreciated the wide, shallow step to get in, especially having small children. There are 2 restroom huts nearby. Here is the towel hut to get your towels, which opens at 8 a.m. Members get yellow towels and everyone else gets green. There are lots of loungers available for seating. On our second day here, we quickly realized that guests will wake up early to save their loungers. When I asked the towel hut attendant if saving loungers was allowed, he said there was no rule against it. Now, we would have never thought to reserve our loungers, but honestly, everyone was doing it, so if you want a good spot, you gotta do it too. Each morning on the way to breakfast, we stopped by the towel hut, got fresh pool towels, and put them on the loungers we wanted for the day. Another thing you can do is before you leave the pool for the day, exchange your used pool towels for new towels so you can have them for the next day to reserve your lounger as early as you want. Here's a tip. We use towel bands to keep our towels in place, especially on windy days. Towel clips also work well, so we recommend getting yourself a set of towel bands or towel clips. You good, Maddie? These are our spots for the day. We also recommend bringing a pool float for lounging in the pool. One thing to note is the pools are not heated, but if they were, I would have enjoyed them even more. Ready to go for a dip? The beach is just a few steps away and also has loungers if you prefer to relax a little closer to the ocean. You can also catch the sunrise right here every morning. There are a few vendors set up in the sand if you want to purchase any souvenirs. There's even a vendor selling horseback rides on the beach. Spoiler alert! Yes, we went on a horseback ride. Let's head back to the resort. There's a nice little photo op right here with the beach in the background. It's nice that you'll find live music around the resort at different times. Take a listen. There are a couple bars near the pool. The swim-up bar, this bar, and this members-only bar way over here. There are also servers going around taking your drink orders. We spotted at least 2 water fill-up stations around the resort. So bring a water bottle to keep yourself hydrated. Around the pool, you'll see the different restaurants and eating areas. Here is Rosmarinus Restaurant. They serve a breakfast buffet for members only, open from 6:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. and open most days for lunch for all guests from 12 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. They also have outdoor seating available. Here is Café Solaris. They are open for a breakfast buffet from 6:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. They serve a lunch buffet from 12 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. on the days that Rosmarinus Restaurant does not. During our week-long stay, lunch was served at Rosmarinus for 5 of those days and at Café Solaris for 2 of those days.
Yes, you can drink your juice.
For a casual dinner that you do not have to make a reservation for, you can eat at Café Solaris from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. Each night has a different themed buffet, such as flavors of the world, cowboy, Caribbean, Spanish, Italian, gala, etc. There are no shortage of desserts at these buffets. A couple days of the week, the resort puts on festive lunches right next to the pool starting at 1:30 p.m. and goes until the food is gone. Some of the themes we had are paella and sangria, Manzanillo-style carnitas with cantaritos, and wings with colored mojitos. You'll start seeing guests line up around 1:20, so make sure you get in line if you want to try these dishes and cocktails.
I got tacos de carne. 3 for me, 2 for that.
C.
Other lunch and snack options around the pool are the Snackbar, open from 11:30 a.m. to 6 p.m., a hot dog cart, the Sushi bar, and an ice cream cart that is walked around daily starting around 2:33 p.m.
There's the ice cream man.
The flavor changes daily. We tried chocolate, coconut, and strawberry.
I don't know, try it, tell me. Vanilla?
Yeah.
Here is the Pizzeria, open from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. The resort has 3 different a la carte restaurants open for dinner from 5:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m., and their menus change nightly. You will need to make a reservation through the resort's website, which you can do up to 3 nights in advance. You can also view the nightly dinner menu on there. No, you can only have 1 dinner reservation active at once. Even after you've gone to your reservation, the system won't allow you to make your subsequent reservation until the next day. Side note, you can also ask each restaurant's hostess if there are any no-shows, and they can potentially get you in for dinner. Here is Marco Polo, which is a more formal dining restaurant and serves French, Italian, and Mediterranean menus. Panchos is a casual environment and has themed menus for fajitas, regional dishes, rodizio, and tacos. Here's Zai, which serves up Gohan, Tori, and Zai menus. Tipping is not required, but we highly recommend bringing some cash to tip the servers and bartenders to show your appreciation. We ate at Marco Polo twice and at Panchos twice. We preferred the ambience of Panchos over Marco Polo. Zai never seemed to have availability, so unfortunately, we did not get to try it. Along the left side of the resort, if you're facing the beach, there are a few different shops selling toiletries, jewelry, apparel, and souvenirs. Of course, they are a little pricier since they are located at the resort. As we head back inside the resort, here's the theater, Teatro Tehuacan, which hosts nightly shows starting at 8 p.m. Some of the shows were The Gatsby, Michael Jackson, Coco, Magic Land, and Pre-Hispanic Night. We attended Coco, and to be honest, the audio was just insanely loud, which kind of took away from the experience. We ended up leaving early, but it was still a cute show. Now let's head back up to the lobby. We can take the stairs or the elevator. Here's their wedding office if you want to plan a wedding at the resort. Our room was located on this floor. It was pretty basic with a bed, a Murphy bed, small table, TV, 2 chairs, bathroom, and balcony. It had a small refrigerator which was stocked daily with a couple water bottles, beers, and sodas. There is a clothesline to hang wet items in the shower. It also came with slippers and robes. When we asked the maid if we could have another pair of slippers, she said we had to call the front desk to ask. When we did that, no one ever brought us a new pair. On our first and last night, they left 4 chocolate balls in our room. The room does not have a clock, but we brought our own, which also has white noise, which comes in handy to block out noise for sleeping. We also brought our own carbon monoxide detector. By the way, you can order room service if you don't feel like eating out. We booked Royal Solaris because of the child-friendly amenities. Having a 3-year-old with us, we really appreciated the kids' water park, playground, the life-size gingerbread playhouses, and because it was around Christmas, they had Santa visit the lobby daily. It was also nice to have those themed lunches by the pool too. Things that we felt they could improve on were the repetitive breakfast buffets, cold pools, and to be honest, friendliness with the staff was a hit or miss. Well, that wraps up our video tour of Royal Solaris in San Jose del Cabo. We hope you enjoyed our video. We hope you feel informed before your visit. If you enjoyed our video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below and let us know when you plan on visiting. Thank you for watching.
Thumbs up.